Why is the y-intercept crucial for understanding linear functions? Imagine you're looking at a graph and trying to figure out where a line begins. The place where the line crosses the vertical line is called the y-intercept. This point is very important because it shows us exactly where the line starts on the y-axis before any change in the x value happens. In algebra, linear functions are often written as y equals m times x plus b here. The b stands for the y-intercept. It tells us what the output or y value is when the input or x value is 0. Knowing this helps us understand the initial point of the line, which is like the starting line in a race. The y-intercept acts as a fixed point on the graph. When you want to draw the line, knowing where it crosses the y-axis makes it much easier to sketch accurately. If you also know the slope, which shows how steep the line is, you can quickly draw the entire line. The y-intercept gives you a clear anchor point to start from. In real life, the y-intercept can representing something like a starting cost or initial value. For example, if you are calculating the total cost of buying items plus a shipping fee, the shipping fee is the y-intercept. It is the cost when no items are purchased yet. To find the y-intercept algebraically, you just need to set to 0 and solve for y. This simple step gives you the exact point where the line crosses the y-axis. It is a quick way to get the starting point of the line without guessing. Understanding the y-intercept helps us interpret and graph linear functions more easily. It shows us where the line begins and helps us see how the function behaves when the input is 0. This makes learning more advanced algebra concepts much simpler because we have a solid foundation. So, in summary, the y-intercept is like the starting point of a line on a graph. It helps us understand where the line begins and makes it easier to draw and analyze the entire graph. It is a key piece of information for understanding how linear functions work in both math and real-world situations.